of plane is this?
Do you guys know what a seaplane is?
Plane that goes on water?
Yeah, so this one here takes off and lands strictly on water. All the times on the water.
I'm up and away! They call this place the Thousand Islands. I can see why. Let's go feed the bears, Molly.
All right, just remember, guys, we gotta be quiet.
Ben takes care of the cubs until they're old enough to return to the wild. Here you go, little guy. Shh. We had to be really quiet when we fed the baby bears.
Nice and slowly. See, the little bears see what you brought. Now back away nice and slowly. Okay,
The raccoons want it.
here comes one. Oh.
Where do these bears come from?
These two bears came from Wawa, Ontario. It's sort of way up north in Ontario. And unfortunately, their mother was hit crossing one of the highways up there. And so they were orphaned and they were left to survive on their own. But because they're so tiny and they still rely on their mother to survive, we as people have to help them along because ultimately they would die if we wouldn't help them.
Ben went to get some older bears ready for release. To get the bears ready, Ben needs to dart them. Why does he dart them again, Molly? To put them to sleep so he can release them safely. Oh, yeah. Nighty-night, bears. Ben puts tags on the bears' ears so he can remember them if they ever get in trouble again. Hey, Ben.
Hey, guys. What do you think? You guys want to touch them? They're
Sure.
sleeping. They're just sleeping.
We're flying north because that's where the polar bears live. I hope we find one. Or two. Or three. Or four. Or five. It was freezing when we got out of the plane. Hey, it's white. Cold. Look at my breath. We left the airport and drove out to the tundra where the polar bears live. What does tundra mean, Molly? It's like a place with not a lot of trees. Look at that big truck thingy, Molly. They're what you have to drive in to get across the tundra. That's John. He knows where the polar bears like to live. I see them! I see them! I see them! Yep. Polar bear! Whoa!
You see it? Do you see the bear?
Jarrett drove us up closer to get a better look. Then we went out on the deck to get an even closer look. We had to be really quiet so we wouldn't scare the bear away.
Look at her. See what she's doing? That's because the ice is so thin and she can't walk, so she spreads out and she'll crawl on her belly.
Look, Molly, she's making a bear angel. There's just no flesh bag. Even though polar bears look really cute and soft, they're still dangerous. Good thing we're in this giant buggy, eh, buddy? We were being so quiet that the bear came even closer. I guess she was curious about us, too. What was that?
Wasn't that great? Cool.
We celebrated with some hot chocolate. It was really exciting seeing a polar bear in Canada.